Early 2019, Columbia Care contacted us with a unique opportunity that they were expanding into Florida. At the time, they had existing operations throughout the U.S. Northeast market. We were essentially asked if we could help support them roll into the state of Florida by more than doubling what their current operations were. And they knew intimately that they needed some help with an outsourced construction department because the programming was not going to last more than a couple of years at best. So when they had contacted us, we had agreed to partner up and support their initiative by helping them roll out the state of Florida. Entering a new state with opening up that many stores can be extremely challenging, particularly when you're growing by 10, 15, 20, maybe even 100, in some cases 200%, because that puts a big constraint on your existing resources, particularly human resources, especially when it's not in a geographical area that you're already covering. HURD Construction Management strategically partnered with Columbia Care to be their exclusive outsourced construction management firm and owner's advisory group in the state of Florida. We ultimately took full responsibility for executing the overall project and program to make sure that the number of stores we were tasked with opening were open in the time frame for the prescribed budget. The biggest advantage HURD Construction Management and our team was able to provide Columbia Care that many traditional GC firms can't provide was local market expertise at a comprehensive level across the state. We were able to start with that supply chain and start establishing some of those key contacts to make the program a success. The second thing we did is we were able to come in from a real estate perspective and plug right into their real estate brokerage group. By plugging into their network of brokers, we were able to help expedite site selection. And the last thing was role flexibility. So HURD Construction Management was hired and retained as the construction manager's advisor. When the schedule started getting a little bit delayed, HURD Construction Management was able to shift roles from advisor to constructor. So as a licensed general contractor, we were able to execute a lot of stores ourselves and self-perform to make sure the program stayed on track. We knew it was going to be a huge challenge. We knew what the constraints were and the bottlenecks. What it taught us, both sides of the equation, was the importance of having a strategic partner, the importance of having an established supply chain, and the importance of having a clear plan of where you're going. Columbia Care is very happy. We've just completed our second phase with them. Columbia Care and us HURD Construction Management have a great relationship, and we really look forward to continuing to work with them in a similar capacity. For other retailers expanding in Florida, I would strongly suggest do not shortcut the general contracting process. Make sure that you team up with an experienced construction management or advisory firm who understands not only the state market, but also the local markets. Also make sure that you have a good relationship with the right architectural firm. Make sure you have established supply chains. And if you don't have those things, again, certainly make sure that the advisory firm with whom you engage with has access to those resources.